Let me tell you why you're here. You're here because you know something. What you know you can't explain. But you feel it. I'm trying to free your mind.
If you're looking for an easy way to secure your data or your funds like your crypto, an air-gapped computer is a great option. So here's a simple guide on how to set one of those up. Number one, secure the room. Wherever you store your air-gapped computer, make sure to secure the room. The only people you want using the machine should be in there. For everyone else, it's best that they treat your air-gapped machine like it doesn't exist. Treating your air-gapped machine like this will lessen the risk of any potential attacks or breaches. The room, you need to make sure that it's locked down and has little to no equipment in it. That includes other unnecessary electronics like printers, phones, tablets. If it doesn't need to be in the room, get rid of it. With a laptop, it's easier to grab it and go. But if you prefer to have like a desktop computer, make sure it stays cool. That air-gapped computer, the room that it's in, needs to be the ideal climate for the computer so it doesn't overheat. And if the computer breaks down and you have to throw it out, there's still a possibility that somebody can pull info off of it, so you need to be careful. Number two, remove things. Disable any unnecessary ports. You'll need to plug up a USB drive and a mouse, but the rest, if you think needs to be disabled, disable it. Any other unused USB ports can be blocked with a USB port blocker, or if you have the time, just take the USB port out. Eliminate all methods of networking, so that's Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and Bluetooth, unless you absolutely need it. Windows computers have settings that allow you to disable the NIC card, turn off wireless, to disable Ethernet. Windows users can use Device Manager for that. So open the Device Manager, search for it in the search bar, and type in devmgmt.msc commands. Okay, right-click on the device that you want to disable and go to Properties, Driver, and Device. But if you want a machine that's truly offline, a true air-gapped computer, remove the Ethernet, the wireless, and the Bluetooth ports completely. So to wrap up, your air-gapped computer needs to be separate from your other devices. Only authorized people should have access to your air-gapped computer. Lock the device up at all times when not in use. Keep the computer in a cool environment and remove any unnecessary electronics. Disable USB ports that aren't used. Disable Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. Keep it as offline as you possibly can. If you don't want to deal with making air-gapped computers, there are some pre-built options out there. Framework is an example of a company that builds basic machines. You can basically build a computer with all the components taken out and only have one USB port, and they will ship you a computer with just that one port on it. But that is it. This is a short video. Just wanted to make a quick guide on how to set up an air-gapped computer from little to no effort possible. Let me know in the comments if you have an air-gapped computer. Are you considering set one up for your personal crypto funds, or maybe having super private data on it? Let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know if you have any other suggestions for air-gapped computers. Thank you. If you're watching this on YouTube, Odyssey, or Rumble, I'd appreciate a share button. Hitting the share button. Thank you, and take care.